Well, we're back. This is a completely dry run here of the audio quality on this Disney World ride. I'm actually not back from Disney World. This is a part of the complete immersive experience in Milford Land, which is the newest adaptation to the park. It's pretty realistic, it's pretty immersive. I wouldn't say I'm a big fan of the work experience. There's like a work simulator that I did today, but anyways, now we're doing the Milford Bike Simulator. And this is just a dry run to try to get back into the biking videos that I did about 2 summers ago. I got the old bike, what am I trying to say? Not detailed, a tune-up on it, and got it some TLC. And so my media mod for my GoPro, which is what would normally be giving the audio here, doesn't work anymore. But instead, I have a wireless lavalier mic, my Hollyland set, plugged in via USB-C to my phone, and I'm currently recording this to a voice memo on my phone, and then I'm gonna sync it up in post. Now, on the off chance that all of the audio up until this point was completely blown out, which I think there's a 50-50 chance was the case, this is a dry run, just a quick audio test, because the old way that I used to record my audio for these videos, I'm not able to do currently. So I'm trying a different audio workflow. And the last, 3 or 4 minutes may have been completely just wind muffled. But hopefully not. It's crazy because the last one, my last setup, I remember the first time I ever took it out, I thought the same thing. And it was so quiet that I thought I didn't get any audio until I started talking, because there was absolutely no wind noise whatsoever showing up in the audio. So I'm hoping we will still achieve that level of quality here today. But I can't say I'm as optimistic because this set doesn't have the same windscreen that my other one does. I'll tell you what, feels good to be back on the bike. Like I said, this is the first official bike of the season, even though I'm only gonna do, I don't know, 1/8 of a mile here. I already went for a run today, so I'm not trying to go all that long. But if all goes well, my hope is that I'll be able to get out tomorrow for a nice long one. So anyways, I'm gonna conclude it here because now is all the heavy breathing as I come back up this hill, on this hill that they are currently doing a lot of sewage work on. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I was able to make something of this and the quality was tip top. If so, I should be seeing you tomorrow again on the bike, and many more thereafter, because this is a biking summer.